Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. So you can see how tricky really action was yesterday, because the grabbers that we have discussed that potentially could lead to stronger upward retracement has been erased, but this is only the half of the story. The problem is the real trickiness stands around how these grabbers have worked on the different markets. If on euro currency we see the failure, on the gold market they have worked perfect. So in fact we've got a combination of the rising of the dollar and rising of the gold, which is a point directly on the geopolitical problems. So this always happens, and you could see how in general the tricky moment is when you have intraday directional bullish patterns but you have major tendencies to the downside, and it's always the headache, especially for those who keep good bearish position. For instance, you have taken position on some major reversal points, you are holding it, market and unexpectedly market has formed a bullish grabber that suggests possible deep retracement on the intraday charts, and it's always the headache what to do, whether to close and grab the profit, and what if the pattern will fail. Maybe do not touch it, just tight the stop, or maybe do nothing, just see living through this retracement and then just keep going lower. And you can see in particular this scenario, you could see that grabbers on the 4 time frame chart has failed and market just keep going with the major tendency. Now we're going with this our major hand and shoulders, and we're watching for its destination points. And first points that we are watching, it's actually 107 area, is a neckline, fib support, daily oversold, and some intraday extensions, and stands around this level. On the 4 time frame chart, you could see the particular candle where the grabbers have been erased. So this has happened precisely at these points because that was potentially our grabbers, and right at this candle market has closed below the lows of the grabbers. This was the moment of the failure. So if you're careful enough, you could recognize such a performance. Not everybody have ability to just sit across the monitor and watching what was going on, but if you have this possibility and you trade on intraday charts, in just identifying these moments lets you to early close the position or make the decision on what to do with your bearish position, so to avoid closing or do something. And here we also have got minor reversal candle. Now as market's going lower, XOP target stands around 107.05. That's particularly the pattern that we are watching for. If you're closed the position yesterday but you would like to re-enter until the XOP will be reached, particularly you could keep an eye on the hourly pattern, which is a butterfly. Market already is coming to the 1618 extension, which is 107.62. These levels I have built a bit in advance, so they are based not on the current price but on the target of the butterfly. So this is the levels that will be at the moment where market will touch the target. And correspondingly, you could keep an eye on the possible bounce. So first level that you could keep an eye on is 108, because after butterfly will be completed, it is normal to see 30% pullback. So at least the 30% pullback, well, is suggested by the butterfly pattern. So you could get the not bad chance to consider a new short entry. But be aware of the personal consumption expenditures release as the first moment. Second moment, guys, tomorrow is, Good Friday. So in Europe, it will be holiday, and its market will be thinner. And in fact, I would say that it will be long holiday starting from Friday until Monday, because in Germany it's Good Monday, Easter Monday is also the holiday. So it's, well, in different countries it will be a long period of the holidays, and you should make the decision whether you would like to keep the position for these holidays or not. That's another second moment that you will have to answer. Well, that's actually all that we have. So speaking about the major tendency, it still stands intact. We're keeping bearish context. We're not considering taking any long position by far on the daily and above time frames. Here we also do not consider any longs anymore, just because we do not have the context for that. We do not have directional bullish patterns anymore here. Those of you who would like to take the short position probably could wait for pullback up from the 10762 area when the butterfly will be completed. That will be easier to do than just trying to jump in right here. But as I said, be aware of the consumption expenditures results. If you're not ready to do for that, maybe it makes sense to do nothing. Just return back to the trading on the next week. Just wait and see what numbers we will get, and then just enjoy the holidays and see what will happen next week. So if you're ready, that's okay. Just keep watching and see what will happen. Maybe, by the way, the pullback will be the result of the personal consumption expenditures report. Who knows? We will see. So that's our view currently on euro currency. Let's see how it will turn.